my YouTube channel e-commerce and tech. First of all, I apologize that not making any videos at this meantime, some other commitments. Okay, so don't wait that 1 minute. Today what I learned, I am going to post you. Okay, so today what I learned is, okay, okay, so today I learned about asterisk. It's nothing, we usually say it as star. For beginners, I'm also a beginner, but usually we say star. Actually its name is asterisk. Okay, so what is its specialty and what is its function? So let's go into that. So the thing is, if we want to display all the columns from a database, instead of writing all the column name, we better use asterisk, which means star. Okay, so usually for getting the details from a specific column, we will use select column name from table name. For multiple columns, select column name 1, column name 2, table name. So that we usually use. Okay, in here we just want to use only this star. It will fetch all the details of the all the columns. Okay, so let's go the example. Okay, here I already wrote one query, so it's nothing, very simple. You select star from here my table name employee. So here we can see all the details are fetched here. Okay, this is the thing. Thank you guys.